In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a third-party domain from your Shopify store. Whether you've decided to switch to a different domain or you're consolidating your online presence, this guide will walk you through every step of the process to ensure it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. Let's begin by navigating to your Shopify account. First, you'll want to log in and head over to the My Store section on your Shopify dashboard. This is where all the administration happens, so it's the perfect starting point for making any changes to your store settings. Once you're on the home page of your store within Shopify, the next step is to locate the Settings option. You can usually find this at the bottom left of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will bring up a variety of options crucial to managing your e-commerce site, including the settings for managing your domains. Inside the Settings page, you'll see a subsection specifically labeled Domains. Click on Domains to get into the area where all your domain names, whether purchased directly from Shopify or connected through a third-party service, are listed. Here, you should see an overview containing all the domains currently linked to your Shopify store. Locate the third-party domain that you want to remove. It might be something like wba.example.com. Click on this domain and it will bring you to a page with specific details about it. This is where you check your configurations, but also where you can initiate the removal process. Now, here comes the crucial step: removing the domain. On the page showing your selected domain's details, look for an option that says Delete Domain. This button is usually positioned clearly to prevent accidental removal, so make sure you find and click it carefully. When you click Delete Domain, Shopify will likely prompt you with a confirmation message. This is just a safety measure to ensure that you're aware of the action you're about to take and its consequences, such as any changes to your store's accessibility and search engine settings. Confirm that you wish to proceed. And that's it. You've successfully removed a third-party domain from your Shopify account. Remember, it's vital to understand the implications of this change. Removing a domain can affect how customers find your store online. And there might be a short period it's unclear how the changes will impact site traffic and SEO. If you have any more domains to modify or any further settings to adjust, you can navigate back to the Domains page or the main settings menu. As always, ensure the changes align with your strategic business goals. If you have any doubts, reaching out to Shopify support can provide additional guidance and peace of mind. Thanks for following along, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful.